Alright, check this out, everybody. A massive snowstorm here in Minnesota. I mean, literally, the roads are so slippery. I'm going like 40 miles an hour on the highway here. Alright. So, watch your back. Buckle up. Be safe out there, everybody. And so when driving in conditions like this, two things you gotta remember. One, go real slow, watch your back, your brakes. And two, and this is important, have good tires, okay? Everything depends on your tires. If you have bad tires, you are done. You're done, okay? If you don't invest money in your tires, you just pack your bags, okay? Because you're going to heaven, okay? And your car is going to the junkyard, because accidents happen literally every minute, every day. People just spin out and stuff like that. But these roads are slippery. And the good thing about people here in Minnesota is people know how to drive in conditions like this, okay? And this is not even bad. I mean, it gets bad here. This is our first snowstorm, okay? This is not even that bad. But when you have 2, 3, 4 snowstorms, you know, snow piling up and stuff, it can get really bad real fast, okay? So right now it ain't bad. We're going 40. Everyone's following the speed limit. Everyone's driving safe here, staying in their lanes and concentrating on paying attention and stuff, you know what I mean? Alright, so basically when you're out here driving in conditions like this, go slow. Feel your brakes, check the road conditions, you know, once in a while step on the brake and see how it feels. Also, be careful when getting off exits, okay? When you're getting off and switching lanes and stuff, be very careful, because conditions on the ramps, they're deadly. Bridges, they're deadly and so slippery, okay? I was driving to work once, and on the bridge, the roads were clean and literally black ice. I literally almost died. My car started spinning, going 70 miles an hour. My car started spinning, sliding into a ditch. I don't know how I didn't die, honestly. And as a close call, I almost died, but I'm alive now. Sounds good. And hopefully I'll stay alive for a few years. Like 30 more years. Anyway, y'all take care of yourself. Yeah. Take care of your family. Love one another. Try to be a better person every day. Grow. Learn. Alright? Don't take yourself seriously. Don't take life seriously. Just relax. Live your life. You know what I mean? Because it ain't that serious. Right? So, alright. I gotta go. God bless you. And bye. And wish me luck. Yo, wish me luck. Because, you know, I might not even get there. I'm serious. That's how life is. You're chilling. You all good. You're driving down the road. You're all good. And then all of a sudden, kabam! And you see the light. I've had some mean accidents. I rolled my vehicle once at least 24 times. Okay, over the fence. When I was a kid, I was driving down the gravel road and I spun out, flipped the vehicle, and yeah, I'm alive. Somehow I made it out of that accident. I woke up and there's a window. Every window smashed. The car is literally a pancake. Except I was in the back seat. The window, one window was open, that much. I just crawled out. I was like, yeah, I made it. Wow. Not a scratch on me. The cops came. They're like, are you drunk, kid? I'm like, I'm 15. I don't think I drink yet. They're like, okay, let's check you out. Let's check you out. Okay, you're not drunk. Okay. I'm like, yeah, I'm not drunk. I know I'm not drunk. I don't just lie to people. Anyway, but I made it out of that. And hopefully I'll make it out of this. I mean, this is pretty bad, everybody. This is pretty bad. So, stay safe and watch your backs. Alright? Watch them ramps, off ramps. Those are slippery too. So, bye.